So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join a party in StumbleGuys. So the first thing you want to do is go to stumbleguys.com/play. So you will need to access StumbleGuys. You can do that just from the site and click the play button. It's the same thing. From here you can just join and log into your account. You can see it on here if you're connected or not. And after that you can join a party. So on the left side, you can see customize friends and workshop, and you can see here missions and party. Click the party. So on here, you will receive a room code. Share the room code with your friends and they can join the same game. So if you want to create a custom game, you can, but I suggest just a normal game for now. You will get a room code and then just paste that room code that you've got there and click on join to start playing StumbleGuys. So that's about it. And you can see here, once you click on normal, you can see the players that are available here, and the room code you can just go ahead and send your friends that room. After that, once you see who's in the lobby, you can just go ahead and click on play and you'll be added to that party. So that's about it. You can just go ahead and do that by clicking the room code there and joining it afterwards once all the people are there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.